What is up, guys? It's New Rock City for Roblox, and today we're going to be reacting to Kid Temper Tantrum throws all daddy's clothes away in trash. Garbage truck came. But before we get started, I do have a little thing to say. I'm very sorry about the lack of uploads in the last month. I've just been sick. I've been busy with work, and I was going through some major life changes. But with that out of the way, let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, what's up, guys? So, it is down to the final hours before we are going to be heading to Europe, heading to England, my hometown,
Yep, they're going to Lee's home country.
my homeland, and I'm just going through my closet right
England.
now, figuring out just
You
what
can
I want to
understand
pack.
why his voice is partially British, partially
this
American.
Shirt. This shirt's pretty good. And I don't know, I might wear this one.
What?
Yep.
Oh God, Leland's having another temper tantrum. What is going on?
I have lived in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, my home life, my hometown.
What are you
Fort
doing?
Lauderdale, Florida.
Why are you throwing your clothes everywhere?
I want to wear for England!
Just wear clothes.
Leland, why do you care about America so much? Why can't you just go to England and see your family? Do you not see them often?
You're a 10-year-old boy.
You don't even see your family in England that often because you live in America.
Just wear normal clothes. You got a lot of options here.
I don't even know what to wear.
Don't you
I
stop
want to stay in
looking.
America!
I mean,
You're
London
in
is so
America. England's
cute.
cool. Alright, so look. It's your heritage, Leland. Your ancestors. You're 50% British.
I don't.
And then
No.
50% Oklahoma. Because that's where mommy's from.
I think he was
So you're
born
like
in
50%
Utah,
European, 50%
or wherever he was
country, farmland, Oklahoma-ish, Dorothy, tornadoes, whatever. So you just locked him in the cupboard.
Well, he's now known as Teen Temper Tantrum, as
Alright.
the video
Leland, you gotta
was
pick all these up.
shot in 2017. I'm at 2019, sorry. I got mixed up. Yeah, he was born in the United States, but not sure where. I wouldn't say that due to privacy reasons. Yeah, out of respect for their
Yeah,
privacy.
like why don't you wear this? This is a nice shirt. Wear that.
Leland, that's a nice
Okay, well,
shirt.
London has a suggestion for you too. Well, stop.
And in
All
fact,
right,
they
well-
actually went to a wedding in
I
Europe.
needed that.
Just pick up all your clothes
Leland,
and start
this
packing.
is one hell of a mess.
Oh my gosh. Whenever we go on vacation, guys, it is a pain in the butt to try to get Leland to pack his
Stop
clothes.
choking him. He's
And
trying to
I
record.
don't know, hopefully maybe Leanna. Leanna is packed, hopefully. Leanna, are you packed?
Look at
Pack your
Leanna's
clothes, we're
room
going to
compared
Europe.
to Leland.
I'm already packed.
Like you don't even
Just go pack.
a
Leanna's already
fig
packed.
on her floor.
Just go pack. Oh. Alright, well, alright, Daddy's gotta figure out what I'm packing here. So I gotta figure out just what the heck. I got my suitcase right here. Gotta get that out. Suitcase, alright. I got all my clothes here, got my shorts down there. Yeah, so, alright. I gotta get going on this, guy.
Hold up.
So, just go pack, come on.
Leland, really?
That's what I'm trying to do!
So you haven't even
Oh.
packed yet. You're bugging me about packing.
What are you running back? I'm trying to pack. I was in here packing now. Look out. Look out. Alright, stop kicking my suitcase here.
Who said
Go
it's
pack.
yours?
Just go pack.
I know that.
Alright, so how's the dirt moving progress coming along?
Well, we are getting close to the end.
Yeah, they're
So
like
our yard is getting a
done.
lot bigger, guys. Like, look at that. All this dirt's being moved out. And it's, we have more of a yard now.
Acres, it better be big.
Oh, just go pack. So, yeah. I mean, look how dirty it is. Like, dusty. Everything's
is other
dusty.
than dust.
fact, I gotta go take a shower because I went out there to look at it and.
I know you keep tracking like your.
Look at that.
Oh,
Watch
that
him, watch him
bulldozer.
here. Watch that. Scooping all that dirt up. There he goes. And then he's taking it to the front.
Yep. So we're making our backyard bigger and our front yard bigger.
Yeah. All right, go pack. Come on. All right.
Leland, that's disgusting.
All right. Well, anyway, I'm all covered in dirt. When the dirt gets scooped up, there's all this dust in the air. I feel like there's just dust everywhere. I'm gonna go take a shower.
Yeah.
Leland, you're not Leland. Leland, go pack. Finish packing. Come on.
Leland,
All
you
right,
haven't
take a
even
shower.
finished packing, and you're going to Europe in a few days.
So, hey guys,
Out of the
it's
country.
Leland, and I think Daddy is taking a shower right now. So,
Yeah, this is the part that is next.
When you see me walking down the street, hey, all the fellas
Leland,
want to
that is
speak,
completely
and know that I'm
unnecessary.
the king of the cool cats.
wow, he's a really bad singer. He always
No, I love his
sings that
singing.
song too. Such a bad singer too. So
Like,
I think Daddy
I
has a
love
bad
his
wardrobe.
singing,
So
bro.
I'm gonna throw away all of his clothes.
Leland,
Is that cool?
London is staring at you. That was
Night-night.
little London. She grew up so much. Yeah, this video was taken almost 4 years ago.
So yeah, I'm gonna throw away all of these clothes. Hey guys, so I'm in his closet. I have a trash bag. I'm gonna throw all of his clothes in the
Leland,
trash.
why would you do that?
Ugh. Really big shirts.
I mean, if I did that to my dad, he'd be furious. But that's all I can say about it.
He has such big shirts.
Like, threw all of his clothes away.
He has these big shirts. And then most of the stuff in the clothes hangers in here too. So if he's gonna have to buy all of his shirts back, he's also going to have to
Yeah, that would be a waste of
buy
money.
the clothes hangers too. So yeah. Hey guys, so I finished with Daddy's clothes.
Leland, what did you do?
It took a long time, but I did do it, and I just found something. Look at this. It's like Darth Vader's ship. The Death Star. That's cool.
Yeah, that's
Alright,
Darth Vader.
But I got all of the clothes in here.
All you left was the ties?
It's heavy. There's a lot of
Are you
clothes in
freaking
here, so
serious,
I'm gonna
Leland?
tie it up real quick. And the trash comes today, so I'm
Man,
gonna
why'd you
put
throw
this in the
away
trash.
all your
And then
dad's
you'll
clothes
have-
on trash day?
Nope. Okay. I'm gonna get this out. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm dragging my dad's clothes right here.
Leland, he's gonna get out of the shower any minute.
And this is really hard because one hand is pulling all this stuff when it's super heavy, and one hand's holding the camera. But yeah, look at all of this. All of Daddy's
Jeez,
clothes are in here.
Really?
So I'm
You
gonna
don't
put
need
this
to
out.
do all that.
I'm
So
gonna
you
put this out
basically
to the
put
trash.
all those clothes in a trash
Which
bag
trash
for
comes
nothing.
today. So I'm dragging the bag. Nothing.
You're doing something, Leland.
So I'm bringing it.
Hey, Leland, thanks for taking out the trash.
Oh, like Carol thought Leland was taking out the trash.
You're welcome. Nothing. Take the camera. Can you film me? Alright guys, so this is Daddy's clothes are in here in his trash bag. So let's go ahead and shut this.
Yeah, his dad is going to be pissed.
So now, wait for the garbage man. I am going to take all of Daddy's clothes to the curb. So I'm going to take out the trash. Yes. So.
So Dad's clothes are in there.
Yep.
Yeah, our old driveway was all rocky. Yeah, now it feels like you're walking on sand.
Yeah, as they live in Utah, they have like rocks all over their driveway.
Kind of hard filming him and where my mom's big shoes.
Oh, now here goes the trash truck. Wait to see Lee's reaction, guys. Up, here it goes.
Put my dad's clothes in the garbage bins, all of them, and now the garbage man came and he took the clothes, and I'm gonna tell Daddy.
Leland, no. That line done. Oh.
Alright, so yeah, I threw away all my dad's clothes. I'm gonna see where he is right now. Hey, Daddy! Hi.
What are you doing to my phone? Where are my clothes?
I threw them away.
What are you doing in Mommy's Daddy's bed?
I threw them away.
What do you mean you threw my clothes away?
They're in the garbage bins.
What?
Yeah, what?
Are you serious?
Oh.
I don't have time for games, Leland. I'm getting dressed. What the heck happened in here? Where's all my clothes?
Like I said, I put them all in.
You threw all my clothes away?
Yeah, that's what I've been saying.
You only left the belts? That doesn't leave much for the imagination. What am I supposed to do?
You could wear one of Mommy's.
I'm not wearing one of her skirts. Now look out. You said you threw it in the trash. You threw all my clothes away. Come on. This kid has gone too far.
This kid has a name, you know.
He threw my clothes away. Hold on. Tell me the trash hasn't come yet.
Oh, it's came.
So it's out there?
No, it's further.
No.
No.
I'm gonna hide and go out there before the trash man comes.
He already came. What are you doing?
I gotta wear a box. I can't just go out there naked. I gotta go grab the trash. Unbelievable. You better hope he hasn't come yet.
Oh, he's came.
No. You gotta be kidding me.
Mm-hmm.
You have gotta be kidding me.
Yep.
You are grounded, Leland.
Yeah, big time.
You are grounded.
No, I'm not.
Put down my phone. Oh, put down my phone.
Yeah, they want the phone out of his face.
Believe this. Worst day of my life.
You two deserve this.
Maybe I should throw your clothes away.
No.
Throw your clothes away.
No.
See how you like it.
No.
I can't even fit for the door of the stupid box.
Move, I'm going to my room.
I'm not talking to any of you guys.
Yeah, this
I'm
is
done.
embarrassing. Walking around in a box for views.
Okay.
And this guy.
Hey guys.
Now this is the end.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yep.
Remember, our videos are skits.
And make sure. Oh, my mic. Really, London? My mic. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ali and Lynn's has some videos. And subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hello. Subscribe to Icy Latin. And make sure to subscribe to our gaming channel. Dad died? That's so sad. But make sure to
Yeah, she was
subscribe to
saying shit
Ocean
you
Talking
didn't
Mushrooms
understand.
Gaming, which is our gaming channel. Make sure to get it to 100,000 subscribers so we can dye his hair pink.
Oh, what more can you do to me? Now you want to dye my hair pink? You threw away my clothes. Would somebody please buy me some clothes?
Okay.
This is 100% a skit. He has clothes.
Help! It's cold!
Not really. Alright, guys, that's the end of this reaction video. I really hope you enjoyed it. This was hilarious. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your summer break if you're on it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. I'll continue the uploads. And this is me saying peace out. Thank you for watching once again. And goodbye.